of our native water birds sitting on our fence. And there goes CJ.
CJ, go over that window, that window. Look on the birdie on the fence.
No,
Oh,
no.
He will.
CJ, no.
That's kid stuff.
Don't do that.
Oh,
Don't do that, CJ. CJ, you touch that again, I'm going to smack you. He's a beautiful looking bird, isn't he?
yeah.
Wow.
It's very inquisitive. That's
Looks like a baby. Looks like a baby bird. The baby, similar to an ibis or a crane, but very small. And no, guys, it's not a penguin. I'll have to look at my native birds and have a look and see what type of bird it is.
You can have a grape. He's lovely, isn't he?
Yeah, beautiful. Lovely colour. Yeah, bird. He's gorgeous, isn't he? Beautiful markings. Little Miss Lazy, eh? You having a lazy day, Snowy? Snowy having a lazy day, CJ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CJ. Happy birthday to you. Yay! What you got in your hands? You got Buzz and Woody. Ah, aren't you lucky boy? Aren't you lucky boy? Hey? Buzz and Woody. Sorry about no intro, guys. I had to get that quick, that bird on the fence. I'll check it out and see what type of bird it was. Put balloons up. We had my brother, Kent, Chris, Lockie, Nick and Molly here last night. And we had Steve and Rona Lynn and Baby Jack. Thank you for coming, guys. We had Brad and Karen and Jack. Thanks for coming, guys. And we're going down today because Lennon and Jeff couldn't get up here on Wednesday, so we're going to go down there and see them for CJ's birthday. Anyway, guys, this has been Scott Expat in the Philippines. Have a great day. We'll be back later. And that's what he got for Christmas. Thomas the tank engine train set. But this is what we got him for his birthday. The car set with the car park thing with a little track around it. He plays with that all the time. Daddy's got to fix the elevator. Needs a piece of fine cardboard glued to the side of it. But other than that, it's okay. Not bad. Anyway, we'll catch you guys later. They're all CJ's toys. He's been having fun with. And the bus that Debbie brought out for him for his birthday last time. So we'll catch you later, guys. Have a great day, relax and have fun. And we'll be back later. Bye for now.